today's video, we will learn how can we use coordinates and how does it help us in a game or in our animation. Now, if you see, I already have added a XY grid backdrop, and here you can see that there are two colors. One is orange and the other is blue. The orange line, this line is X, and the vertical line is Y. Uh, X help us in moving our sprite left and right, and Y will help us in moving our sprite up and down. So if you notice, the value of X and Y both in the center is 0. To the left, extreme left, the value of X is negative 240, and the value of Y to the right is positive 240. So basically, if the sprite is going to move towards the right, the value of X is increasing, and if the sprite will move to the left, the value of X will be decreasing. Similarly, for vertical movement, Y is 0 in the middle. On top, the maximum value of Y is 180, and at the bottom, Y is negative 180. So again, when sprite will be going up, the Y would be increasing, and when it would be coming down, so the value of Y would be decreasing. Now you can see that there are these grid lines which will also help us in estimating what is the value of X and Y at these points. Now the position of a sprite is always told in terms of X and Y both. So as I move the sprite, you can see that the value of X and Y are changing. And how is it going to help us? Here in motion block, you'll find many blocks which are using X and Y for the movement of the sprite.